Alright, now most of us know about reverse charging or wireless reverse charging. This is a very handy feature offered on most of the flagship phones and on some of the mid-range phones as well. It really comes in handy when the phone is going low on battery and you do not have a power adapter and you're sitting with your friend or family member who has got another phone which supports wireless charging or wireless reverse charging. Using a cable or without a cable, you will be able to reverse charge the phone during the emergency. But one should know how exactly this feature works. Yeah, it's very simple. You just connect a cable and charge another phone, but it has to work vice versa depending on the requirement. So let's say you want to charge your phone using another phone, you must know how to get that done. What I mean to say is, let's say your phone is low on battery and you want to charge your phone using another phone, you must know how to enable it. At the same time, you should also know how to charge another phone using your phone through a cable or wireless charging. This is something which is very simple, yet it's a very important feature you should understand. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to use a USB Type-C cable to connect these flagship phones from Samsung and see how to switch the power source between these two phones. So let's go ahead. Here on the right hand side, I've got the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and on the left hand side, I have got the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Both support reverse charging through cable as well as reverse wireless charging. What I'm going to do is I will use this cable, the USB Type-C cable, to connect between these two phones. Now you can see one of the phone is charging here. Now let me open the quick panel. Here you will see an option transferring media files via USB. Now what I'm going to do is I will tap on this. Now here you will see the switch called Charge Connected Device under Power Options under USB settings. Now this particular settings will not be visible when you're not connected through this cable with another device, another phone. As soon as you connect two phones using the USB Type-C cable, this option pops up here. It says Charge Connected Device. Use this phone to charge the connected device. When turned off, this phone will be charged instead. What this means is you can use this particular phone to charge the connected device when this is turned on. Now, as you can see, this is turned off. So the other phone is acting as a power source and this phone is getting charged here. And the moment I enable this, it gets switched. Now this phone is the power source and the S22 Ultra is getting charged. So this is how we can switch the power source using a toggle which is hiding in your settings. This only pops up when you connect the cable, and all you need to do is just open the quick panel, tap on this notification, scroll all the way down, you will see Charge Connected Device toggle. Depending on the requirement, depending on which phone you want to charge, enable this or disable this. This is a very important and useful feature about which we all should know. Let me know how many of you guys have ever used reverse charging or reverse wireless charging on your smartphone. Did it ever help you? Do drop a comment. That's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to know your phone better. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Sally. I'm signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.